Hello there guys, today 8th of July 3:45 p.m. 36 degrees, and today we're in Tavira. I'm going to pop over to Tavira Island and check it out, so come and join me guys. I'll spin the camera around guys. Now we're not going to the usual boat crossing that I've shown you before in Tavira. This one's further down the river. It's called Quatro Águas. It's got a nice little restaurant there. I have just paid for the boat tickets. It's €2 return. So we're just waiting for the boat to go. So as you can see in the background there, that's the bridge. But Tavira doesn't have a beach per se, but there is a little bit of a beach over there. So if you want to go to the beach but you don't want to go to the island, if you know where the big supermarket is or the big shopping centre that has the Continente, if you drive down, if you drive down by the side of that to the roundabout, do a left down a dirt track, it brings you down here. There's a hotel there, a really nice hotel, and then there's a little bit of a beach on the other side. You can swim in it and it's quite shallow and quite safe for kids. So it's a little bit of a bonus tip for you guys. We used to park the camper van up there a few years back when we first came over. It's a cracking little spot. But that was a really quick crossing. And I was the only Englishman on the boat, and there was no Portuguese on it. Everyone was Spanish. They do holiday here in the East Algarve, Spanish, because you're only 30 minutes away from the Spanish border. There is a couple of houses scattered around. I don't know if they're available for rent. There's also a campsite on here. Good value for money if you want to come over camping, do it on the cheap. I'll show it you in one sec. So the first place you come to is a shop, an ice cream shop, a little cafe, and directly behind it is the campsite. And then just further up you've got a cluster of restaurants, which I'll show you. On the beach you have water sports, paddle boards, kayaks, windsurfing. Now last time we came here a couple of years ago, it was slap banging in the middle of August and this was rocking. There's a little supermarket there. First restaurant is Água Viva. Now I think this does an all-you-can-eat fish. Let's check it out. Yeah, well, last time I came here it was $12.50 all-you-can-eat fish. It's now $19.90. Still, you could fill your belly and that'll be a bargain. So you can sit inside or on the terrace here. These sirloin steaks, 21, rump steak, 22, Iberian pork loin strips, €19, chicken breast or chicken steak, €16. Not too expensive for the island. But I suggest if you want the all-you-can-eat fish, then for €19, that's the best value for money. This next one here, mariscada. Let's have a look at the fresh fish of the day. Ooh. Now that looks like a large dorada in robalo. There's no prices on this one. Pavilhão da Ilha, this one's called. It was recommended from some friends a couple of years ago to come here. There's another like snack bar cafe on the left called Sunshine. There's toasties, sandwiches, burgers, chicken piri piri, €12. That's a bargain. To do with the English fish and chips, €12. Fried sardines, $10.50. That's a bargain for the island. And you can go direct to the beach that way, or we can cut through, and they've got all these lovely restaurants here. Restaurant Ilha Formosa. Check the prices here, guys. It's really reasonable. Sardines, $10.90. Robalo, which is sea bass, €16. Dorado, which is sea bream, €16. That's, look at that, excellent. Arroz cataplana, €35 for 2 people. On the island here, that is a bargain. We paid more than that 15 years ago. So it's all come down in price. Wow, look at those kebabs. Absolutely beautiful. But it has a real nice vibe to it, this place. I'll have to speak up a little because of the music. Now, we did do a vlog on this place a couple of years ago, and we actually dined. I think, was it this restaurant? No, it wasn't. That's a sushi restaurant. That's a new one. I've not seen that before. Just have to speak up, guys. I'll just pause it a minute. That's it. Oh, it's a really nice little place, that. Yeah, it's got a nice vibe. Got the really nice lounge settees there. Salgado, that one's called. This is the one we came to, I think. No, it wasn't. It's a while since we did it. I'll know it when I see it. Got vegetarian options, paella. Let's check the prices out. Bitok, €8.90. Mussels, $13.90. Wow. Spaghetti bolognese, $8.90. Portuguese beefsteak, $18.50. Seafood rice for 1 person, $18.90. That's a bargain, that, guys. And they also do the stuff for 2 people. You can have mixed meat, 2 people. Mixed chicken, cataplana, €40. And we've got Restaurant Sal. Well, I really can't remember which is the one we went in. There's all the fresh fish of the day. Amenti. Specials. Kebab, €18. Bacalhau, 16. It's a codfish. Fish of the day, €17. All very, very reasonable prices. And here again, 6 sardines with salad and potatoes, €12. You can have dish of the day with a drink and coffee as well, €15. That's a bargain. Nossa Sonia, a lounge bar. Very nice. Now the bar I'm going to show you now, shitty bar there. The last time me and Sue came to do a vlog, 2 or 3 years ago, that was just a little wooden hut. But they've transformed it. I came last year on my own, did a little walking tour. I'll show it you 1 minute. Well, as I'm getting closer to the beach, there's a nice bit of a breeze, which is very welcoming. So, Shitty Beach Club, it has a rooftop terrace as well. I did have a drink on the lounges right outside last time I came, just before I went home. I might do the same again today. I had to queue up for about 20 minutes last time though. It's a lot quieter this time of year, but they've done it stunning. Look how beautiful. They've got the volleyball courts out, got the straw umbrellas, And all this they've done beautiful. I don't know if the rooftop's open, I'll try and get on it in a minute. But the Shitty Beach Club, how nice is that, guys? I'll try and see if you can see what meals they do in a minute. But look at this to chill out for the day. Oh, looks like they've got a DJ. Looks like I've come at the right time. So they've got all these little spaces that you can rent with lounges. Really nice. Yeah, so I do believe we might have some entertainment on in a minute. Are you DJing, mate? No. So you can rent the umbrellas, the shades. Oh, it's pretty hard to walk in the sand. I'll just get near the sea. Wow, it's very busy in front of the paid section. Everyone's brought their own brollies. Can't see anything on the camera at the minute. Yeah, the sun's so bright, I don't know what I'm picking up here, guys. Hopefully it picks everything up. And yeah, more sailing boats out there. That's the word I was looking for before sailing. I kept saying windsurfing. The sailing boats. So the other end of Tavira Beach is called Baril Beach, and you can get to that from Santa Lucia, walk across the bridge and get the train to the beach. That's probably 4 or 5 kilometers down that way. Loads of people in the water. Wouldn't mind getting in myself. I'm just going to check this video footage out before I have a quick drink. I've just got back in the shade, guys. It looks like the camera was working. I just couldn't see anything. There's a queue for the drinks. There's a champagne. And there's a dish of the day, or fish of the day I should say. Looks very nice. Por favor. Please wait to be seated, thank you. So you got a queue to be seated, you got a queue to get a beer. I'm just going to grab a beer, guys. I can get to the roof terrace through the restaurant, but I don't know if they'll let me. I'll just ask them in nicely. Excuse me, is it okay if I just go into the restaurant to film for 2 minutes? Yeah, thank you very much, yeah. So you get to it right through the restaurant. Looks a nice restaurant actually. Furniture's stunning. Pop upstairs. They've got the music rocking. So I might have to speak up a bit. Oh, this looks nice. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Got all the restaurants in the background that we walked past before. Beautiful 360 degrees view of Tavira Island. How nice is that, guys? Get yourselves down here. What a really nice place this is. Totally transformed from 3 years ago. I like it. It's like they got a school trip here or something. But yeah, highly recommend, if you're in Tavira or the Tavira area, pop over to Ilha de Tavira. Either from Santa Lucia to Baril Beach, or the two places in Tavira, either the centre or Quatro Águas, all bring you to this beautiful island. Yeah, I like it. Right. Gonna queue up now for a beer. Muito obrigado. Well, on the top of Shitty Beach Bar, What a beautiful view. On my second lunch break today. And who can say they have a caipirinha on the lunch break? Let me check it out, guys. Whoa, oh, it's made that strong, absolutely beautiful. But just the ice, right now I could just eat the ice, it's that hot. That's not going to last long, guys, bloody hell. But if you're with us right here till the end, you must like our content, so hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.